1, 2, 3, come on!
Welcome to another Amazon unpacking as well as review. So let's go ahead and get to it. Now these are going to be the seamless skull face mask bandanas by the seller CAIXU. That's CAIXU. As usual, the link will be down below. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. Alright, the very first skull face mask bandana is actually going to be a red, white, and blue. The top end of it is actually blue. Then it has lines going down which are red and white, which then leads to the American flag. As you can see here, the actual flag does follow a scheme of having all the areas blacked out, but the stars and the stripes are clearly visible. Next, what we have is going to be the plain skull mask with the American flag, which actually follows a gray tone. The stars and stripes are visible. Now, last but not least is an all skeleton mask. This one has the skull as well as what appears to be spinal cord. Now here we have a model that can go ahead and show us what these look like when you're wearing them. Here's the red, white, and blue skull mask. As you can see, it actually fits nice and snug but allows room to breathe. I have actually tried these post video, so I can attest that they do work. Here we go with the black and white skull that has the black and white American flag as the backdrop. Now, I do like this one because of the simplicity as well as the fact that the American flag does show up even better than on the full color one. But either one of these three will be a good option to wear. And yet again, it is nice and snug. And for the final one, we have the all skeleton as well as bone skull mask. This one stands out a lot due to the fact that it has a lot of white in it. It is snug just like the rest of them. Same thing, it is very easy to breathe through, and the material seems like it's going to last. I have had somebody else try this on. They seem to like it as well. So why not? If you guys like these, go ahead and use the link down below and go ahead and buy a pack. Try them out.